Time's Person of the Year for 2021 is a billionaire who's first on Forbes' list and has a net worth of $236.8 billion. This person is the CEO and founder of the Tesla, SpaceX, the Boring Company, Neuralink, and more. Even though he has all of these titles, Elon Musk lives in a house that costs a lot less than one of his own Tesla cars. So, make sure to stay tuned because we'll be giving you some inspiring information about Elon in his official announcement about Tesla's crazy new tiny house for sustainable living. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like this video, click the bell icon to get all the latest updates. Tesla $15,000 house. Let's get into the details. If you have $1 million, your life changes, and people will always say things like, "I love this huge house in Bel Air that Elon Musk built for sustainable living." Everyone was shocked by the $15,000 house. It's no secret that Elon Musk has always had a big impact on people through his hard work, passion, imagination, patience, handful of failures, and of course, his roasting tweets. All he has done to deserve this is make people feel green. The man has shown the world that having a lot of money isn't a good thing if you don't live in a way that saves natural resources and takes care of the planet. His way of life is an example of this. It's hard to believe that Elon Musk lives in a house that's almost $15,000. What did Elon Musk say? The Tesla CEO has always been concerned with sustainability, whether it comes to the cars he makes or the fact that he doesn't own any real estate. At the annual Tesla shareholder meeting, Elon Musk talked about what he thinks are the most important parts of the sustainable future. Musk said that batteries for all types of solar and wind power, electric vehicles like cars, boats, and planes, and energy storage are three important parts of a sustainable future as we look for a more sustainable grid. Electric cars and energy, so I think we'll get to where we want to be with a full sustainable energy economy. The sooner we do it, the better for the world. Elon Musk has been a strong supporter for longer, more sustainable living. He has been quoted as saying things in the past. The point of all this was to speed up the development of renewable energy so that we could look far into the future and still have a great sustainable life. What did Musk say? What was his main point? Elon Musk has also moved Tesla's headquarters from California to Texas. The company still has a plant in California, which will keep running. To make things clear, we'll do more in California. Musk said that we plan to increase production from Vermont in Giga, Nevada to 50. If you go to our Vermont factory, it's crowded. Tesla is not the first well-known tech company to move its headquarters out of California. So he thought that if he lived in a small house without any extras, he could live in a way that would last. In a tweet, he said that he had sold all of his house and was gonna start living a sustainable life. He told that all of my houses had been sold, except for the one in the Bay Area that's rented out for events. I decided to sell my last house. The extra house just needs to go for a family with more people. Joe will live there because it's a special place, and he's just saying this over and over again. Who built the first tiny home? He wants to sell most of his things, including all of his houses, so he can pay for a colony on Mars. The 47-acre property in Hillsboro, which is in the San Francisco Bay Area, was sold in December 2 for $30 million. At the time, he said that his main goal is to create sustainable energy for the world and protect the future. With SpaceX making life possible on more than one planet, where does he live now? Well, he lives in a tiny house that cost $15,000. It's called Napa. This house shows that you don't have to give up comfort for size when you live in a tiny house. Since 2014, the building has been designed and built by the Mint Tiny Houses, a company in Vancouver. They're one of the companies in the country with the most experience right now. Over the years, the custom-built home builder has made a number of tiny homes with different floor plans that feels like traditional homes. The company set up a Napa to living space of 26 feet 7.9 meter and did a great job with the length. The house is built on a 2-axle bumper pull trailer. From the outside, it looks like a cozy cottage thanks to its split-pitch roof, which gives it a very unique look. If you like what you see, you will also like what's on the inside. Napa is an easy place to live because it has everything you need to make a room feel open and airy. For example, The builder painted white wood panels on the walls to make the room feel more open and airy. There are also a lot of natural materials which look great against the white walls. What is the scaffolding in the tiny house for? When you look at it from the inside, it looks like a small apartment because it has a lot of windows that let the light in from the outside. However, it has 236 square feet and 22 square meters of living space. It's perfect for a family can use it as a vacation home. The team at Mint's Tiny Houses added a large loft that can hold a large bed and a small loft that can be used as extra storage during the day. The owner will use a ladder on the ground floor to get to the small storage loft and set up stairs to get to the bedroom area. This large living and dining area with a gallery-style kitchen has a living room and a dining room, as well as all the other amenities you would expect. Using a fridge that holds a lot of food, several cabinets with soft closing doors, and drawers for the kitchen tools, a porcelain sink, plenty of counter space, an oven, and a stove with a food fan, there is of course also a small table. What's inside the tiny house? There's a secluded spot in the backyard of the house with seating for the two persons, below the modest loft that is located in the space in the living room. A large sofa is positioned close to the large window in the room. The hitch on the trailer reveals that the area inside is rather large, and the trailer itself contains a bathroom, a toilet with a flushing mechanism, a basin, and a vanity, as well as a shower with glass doors measuring 4 feet by 1.5 meters in size. This scale model of a micro home features white light bulbs dispersed around the living area. Having double loft and several storage spaces allows for the most efficient use of the available living space in the home. There is a micro-split heating and cooling system, laundry connections to maximize the use of the living area, and other facilities that make Narva the ideal location for owners to live permanently. E-House on Wheels are one of the completely furnished and fitted with lavish features. It can be yours for the low price of $15,000. It has all the things you would expect from a huge home in Napa. There are several components that may be altered to accommodate the preferences of the consumer. The restroom is amenable to a variety of modifications. They offer bright or dark fixtures for the floor and vanity, depending on the look they want to achieve. In addition to this, the outside may be customized in a variety of different ways. On the website of the company, you have the option of selecting from around 8 different colors for Napa models, each of which can be transported anywhere in the United States or Canada. The exterior most likely gives off the impression that it leads a modest lifestyle, similar to that of all the pristine park models, RVs, and tiny houses that we are familiar with. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy watching the video. Share your thoughts about the video in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for all the latest updates.